How to clean up space in Gmail. So if your Gmail is full and you don't have more storage, what you can do is you can either click on this little select button, click on select all. It's going to select all of your mails. Click on the dustbin icon and click on OK and clear up all the mail you get and get a bit of space. But remember, your Gmail is linked with your Google account and Google stores every data inside Drive. So you want to click on this three dot at the top right and go to the place called Drive. Click on Drive. Now in Drive, if you have uploaded videos, folder, anything, just remove them. Like this, if this is like, taking more storage. Now in your case, you have to check what is taking more storage, all right? So for me, this is taking storage. I'm just going to delete it. Now go to the bin over here. And from here, just empty my bin like this. And it's going to delete them from here as well. And it's going to give me some free space. This is going to be more worth it for you guys to come here and delete everything so you get more storage. That's how we guys can clean up space in Gmail. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.